Good morning, children. This is 11.3, 11.2 exercise. Problem number 4. Problem is draw a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 5 centimeter, which are inclined to each other at 120 degrees. So we have to draw the two tangents for this circle of 5 centimeter radius. This is I have constructed already with radius 5 centimeters, and we have to construct two tangents in such a way that outside angle between them is equal to 120 degrees. So for that, first you construct a OB ray here, like this, OB ray. Now here a cyclic quadrilateral will be formed. So cyclic quadrilateral opposite sides will be, sum of the opposite angles will be 180 degrees. So for that, I will be constructing here 120 degrees angle, because opposite angles will be 120. We have to draw the tangents in such a way that the angle between them should be equal to 60 degrees. So here I need 120 degrees. So I will be taking this and I will be drawing here 120 degrees like this. Okay, now 120 degrees, first one 60, second one will be 120. Okay, now take the scale and join this. Take the scale and join this. Okay, now this is the 120 degrees. सामने आना चाहिए दो टेंजेंट्स के बीच में 60 डिग्री. यहाँ 120 ड्रॉ किए थे 160 आएंगे, बिकॉज आमने सामने एंगल्स है वो 180 डिग्रीज होना चाहिए. ओके, सपोजिंग यहाँ 60 हो तो देर वी विल बी गेटिंग 120. नाउ हियर एट दिस पॉइंट, नाउ लेट अस टेक इट एज OA. नाउ फॉर A and B we will be constructing the by perpendiculars. How we will be constructing? Let us see. Now at this point we will be drawing like this. Okay, here and by taking this as center both the sides. Okay, now again increasing the radius from this point to above one and from this point to here. Okay, now with the help of the scale join this. So in the same way we will be constructing here also. This side also by taking B as center, 1 and here 1. Okay, now if you take here like this, so from here we will be constructing like the other one we constructed, this as center 1 and this as center 1. Okay, now we will be joining this. This point and this. bisector we have constructed. Okay, now this angle will be 60 degrees. Now this, let us take, already we have taken this A, no, this A, and this is B, and let us take this A. This AB and BC are the tangents we have constructed. Now if you take this angle, automatically it will be 60 degrees, because here AOBC is quadrilateral is formed with 4 sides. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. So always there is a property, opposite angles of a quadrilateral is 180 degrees. So we have to construct here 120 degrees. So sorry, here 60 degrees. So we have taken 120 degrees here. So automatically it will be 60 degrees. Okay, thank you.